In 1997, I founded Maurice de Mauriac in Zurich, Switzerland. This is the town where I grew up. My name is Daniel Dreifuss and I am an independent watchmaker. I build watches that remind me of the things that inspire me. My early career was spent designing watches for big companies. There I learned the rules and principles that make watches useful tools and also beautiful objects. My philosophy is that good watches should be timeless. I want my clients to wear something beautiful and useful that will make them happy for as long as they own the watch. I think in colors. My mood, everyone's mood, is affected by the colors they see and the colors they wear. My watch colors reflect my favorite moods, and that is a feeling I want to give to anyone who wears a Maurice de Mauriac watch. I am surrounded by big and old names in the watchmaking industry. We inspire each other. I am very proud that I have started design trends you can see reflected in watches whose owners will never know my name. That's okay. I am happy making one watch at a time for people who love the same things I do. If you come to the atelier of Maurice de Mauriac in Zurich, I can create a watch for you too.